I am just wearing this sweater, this long shirt, workout leggings, these socks that I really like. It was my daughter's. I think I got it for her 1 year at Urban Outfitters. And then whenever she kind of gets over certain things that she's no longer wearing, she puts it all into a bag for me. And then I can decide whether or not like I want to save it in case like she has a girl. Because I would love to have like saved a couple of my clothing pieces from the 80s and the 90s. Not all. I don't want to be a hoarder, but I also have no problem having things either. But so these socks were in one of the things, and I decided I really liked them because I love fuzzy socks, and now it's like a dual purpose, so it hasn't gone to waste. And I did film my sticker organization video. This is actually over here because I just don't know like where to put them. And let's see, I was just looking through that, but this is the finished product. I have no idea which video is going to go up, this vlog or this sticker organization thing. I do want to say that, in case I didn't cover it in the sticker video, but this is the best that I could do, really, with what I have right now. I definitely feel like I'm in this weird place where I do this to myself all the time. Like, I don't want to spend extra money fixing up this room when I'm gonna eventually buy like a whole IKEA system. So I'm just kind of, I don't know, I'm just kind of like ghosting through, you know? In case you missed that video, I don't know which one's going to go up first. I feel like the sticker organization one is going to go up first, but I organized as much as I could into these, but I think these are pretty much at full capacity, and I really do like these, and I'm still going to use them even when I move into like my new IKEA system. I'm still going to use them, but I'm going to revamp everything in here. Like, I'm going to take out all of the stickers and everything, and I'm going to use these beauties for basically like my favorites. And then I organized further into this drawer. Here are my decals, which I'm in love with. I almost don't even want to use them, but the whole purpose is to use them. And then I organized this. I organized these stickers into these Dollar Tree pouches. They are very cheap. I think that was the one thing I didn't mention in my video. They really aren't equipped to be this thick, honestly. And I noticed that the cut really stopped here, but I was able to cut, as you can see, this sheet used to be like this. It used to be kind of like stitched there, but it was really easy to like peel it so that I could get this additional space, as you can see. But it kind of takes away from, this little tab pulls out basically and goes into a binder, but it's secured here. But because I peeled it up, this thing will just basically fall out. So I know that's really kind of hard to understand the way that I explained it, but I have my stickers further organized into those, into certain categories. But otherwise, I got everything off of here. If you remembered, everything was just a train wreck. This whole section, I really don't even know like what to say about this, but sort of functional. It's Valentine's Day, Christmas, Halloween, and I just don't have the storage space for it. And those are my washies. They just, whenever I'm planning here, stuff just kind of goes everywhere because this table isn't big enough either. It's just like a pop-up table, and yeah, it's only temporary again because eventually I'm gonna get like a real legit, beautiful working space, a great chair. Like, I really just repurpose a lot. I mean, I really do try to use everything that I kind of already own, but now I'm at a point where I do want to put in the money into a craft room. So as you can see, this is like my daughter's childhood furniture and I just repurposed it. You know, why not? I had it. But now I'm at a point where I really want to have a really nice space for myself. And so that's where the IKEA stuff is going to come in, but not right now and not in this house, eventually when I move. So, but as you can see, once I brought in this furniture, I spent extra money, right, buying additional organizational things because the furniture was just these 3 pieces, just not enough to store everything that I have. That's basically it. I finally found these. I was getting so worried I was not gonna find these. And they were all in this bin right here in the garage. I organized all of my Valentine's Day stuff last year all into this. So this is all that I have, I think. Oh, and I have my, that window picture frame thing I made with the heart doilies. I have that in a closet because I obviously couldn't fit in here. I'm watching Chopped beat Bobby Flay. I love Bobby Flay, by the way. I would love to go to one of his restaurants. Preferably like a burger one, but just talking random crap now. All right, so I decided to place an order for dinner. I haven't had Outback Steakhouse in a couple of years, and I was watching Bobby Flay make steak and I arrived at that thought. So I got steak, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. So we're gonna go pick that up, and then I think I'm gonna end the vlog after I get my food. I'll show you guys what I get because I'm going to maybe film a planner spread tonight. So we'll see, I don't know. But let's go ahead and go pick it up. And here it is. It looks good. It kind of looks like a little charred, but I really like that. I have mashed potatoes, steamed broccoli, and this wonderful bread. And I'm just gonna have like water with this. I have a little bit of a headache, so I'm trying not to have like any sugar, but yummy, delicious. I'm gonna devour this up. I have no idea what's next for the vlog. I don't think I'm gonna end it right after this clip, so I don't know. I don't really like to do mukbangs and eat in front of the camera. I do sometimes, but I'm not in the mood tonight. I need to eat like a carnivore, like a caveman, without any sort of etiquette. You know, eat ugly, tear this up, and I'll see you later.
I love Britney Spears, like with all my heart, I want to marry her, but all of her merch that she sells, I don't love. I still buy it, I still own it, I still wear it, but I feel like it's really not the cutest. So all of Forever 21's Britney stuff is like death. Like, it's so cute. And then again, from Forever 21, I got this like trench coat. I hate when I do these clothing videos